Welcome to the stitch guide. This week we'll be looking at this lovely honeycomb mesh. This would be lovely for a shopping bag or like a mesh jumper. I sort of stumbled on that. I was trying to think of the word for a jumper, but it's great, isn't it? It's got all these hexagons. I love it. So let's get started. Using DK yarn and a 4mm hook, make a slip knot, and then we will make a chain in a multiple of 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to do another one. 1, 2, 3, 4. So as long as you want your sample, and then we will add 3, and then 5, add 5 for the foundation chain. Yeah, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to be working in the 8th chain from the hook. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we're going to make a US double, UK treble. We're then going to chain 4, skip 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and make another US double, UK treble. Chain 4, skip 3, 1, 2, 3, and make a US double, UK treble. And that's our repeat. I'm going to keep going. Chain 4, skip 3, and make a US double, UK treble. So if you're making a long sample, you can press pause. If not, we're at the end of our sample. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make the last US double, UK treble into your last chain. And that's the end of row 1. For row 2, we're going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn your work, and we're going to make a US double, UK treble into that chain 4 space from the last round. Chain 4, and then into the chain 4 space, make a US double, UK treble, and that's our repeat. So we chain 4, and then make our stitch into the chain 4 space from the previous round. So you can press pause, and I'll see you at the end of the row. So when you get to the last sort of hole, I guess, we're going to chain 4 as normal, and into the last space. We then start this round exactly the same as we did the last. Chain 5, turn your work, and make a stitch into that first space. Chain 4, and into the next space. And that's your repeat. We just keep going, turning and starting the same each time. Let's just finish this one, and then we can have a look at. So with these patterns, sometimes they don't start to take shape until you've made a few rows. Oops. So you can see how it's coming along, creating those hexagons. It's nice, isn't it? I'll see you in the next video.